Hello and welcome to another week of CAS 4500, 5500. First of all, if you have not already, make sure that you finish up those posts from week 2 so you can find all the information here on what you want to do. But make sure you've replied to your peers at least twice by the end of Tuesday. All right, so we're going to start week 3. So let's go ahead and see what we have for week 3. This week, we're going to be reading a paper on wait time. It's an older article from 1986, but it's still a really interesting article that has a lot of implications for what we're doing now. Then we're going to watch 2 videos. I will talk a little bit more about that in a second. And then we're going to be doing a discussion board where we sort of integrate our ideas from the article and watching the 2 videos. Like we've been doing so far, we're going to do an initial post by Friday, and then we'll respond to 2 peers by next Tuesday. It's 10 points for your initial post, and then 5 points for each of your 2 reply posts. So hopefully by the end of this unit, you should be able to develop an idea of what wait time 1 and wait time 2 are, and think about how you could incorporate those into teaching. Be able to compare and contrast 2 different interactions between a learning assistant and students in an active learning class. Cite the strengths and weaknesses of different teaching approaches. And connect the techniques used into the videos to your own experiences teaching or tutoring, either formally or informally. All right, so we're going to go ahead and scroll on down. And here you're going to see that article. And we can open that up. This article is, it's about 8 pages long, but it's a really nice article in that it kind of clearly outlays what they're looking at in terms of theory, and then describes some of the research that's been done on this method and the implications that has for students in classrooms. So we'll be looking at this wait time article, and I always enjoy rereading this because it forces me to think about wait time in my own classroom and really emphasize that. So it's a good read. All right. Then there are going to be links to 2 videos. These are both videos of learning assistants in action. If you're a learning assistant, some of this might look familiar to things you've done in your classroom. If you're not, still really want to take the time to be able to look at these and be able to interpret interactions and how that informs us about teaching and learning more broadly. So the first video, the LA is being called Levi. You'll notice in all of these videos about LAs, the LA always has an L name. So in this case, the LA is Levi. If you need a transcript of the video, you can click on the PDF right below. If there's also words at the bottom of the video, this is just if you want to go through the words in more detail. Right below that, we have another video. This one is with Lynn. And again, right below that's the transcript if you need it. Both of these videos are probably 4 minutes long. They're pretty brief. So then this is going to be our discussion. We're really going to take those concepts of wait time that we looked at in the first article, and then our interpretations of the 2 videos, and bring those understandings together. One of the things to mention about the videos, these both take place in physics classrooms. Do not worry about the science content of these videos. They are selected to have you be able to just really focus on the interactions between the LAs and students without getting kind of hung up in the exact science that they're studying. If you are into physics, you're welcome to analyze it from that context too, but don't be worried about the physics content. You're going to want to then respond to 3 or more of the following questions. So here are the 6 questions that are really looking at how we can bring our ideas together in our interpretation and understanding. So pick 3 of those, or you can do more if you decide you want to. And you're going to want to go ahead and do that post by Friday and then respond to at least 2 peers by the following Tuesday. We've been really enjoying reading your discussion. And this week sort of follows a similar trajectory to what we've been doing before. We're going to do some other styles as we go across the semester, so don't think it's always going to be the same format. This is just sort of getting us into the groove of how we're going to be working so that then we can do some other things too. So please, 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 if you have any questions, reach out to Dr. Isabella or myself, contact our LA at Daisy. We are happy to help you, and we like communicating with you because in an online environment it can be a little difficult to really get to know students. So please reach out to us if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And we look forward to reading some more posts on your ideas about the Lynn and Levi videos and the concepts of wait time. Thanks.